Welcome to Finally_TV. Today we bring you the latest updates on Pi Network as announced on its dashboard. Progress on mainnet migration Pi Network is actively pushing forward with the migration of Pioneer's accounts to the mainnet. It is crucial to check that your information is KYC verified and follow the provided guidelines. The launch of Open Network, exciting news. The Open Network is set to launch in the first quarter of 2025, enabling Pi to be used globally without restrictions. It's essential for all pioneers to keep working together to achieve this milestone securely. Pi utility growth. Pioneers are encouraged to continue engaging in transactions using Pi. Buying and selling goods and services is a significant way to enhance Pi's value. Innovation opportunities Pi Network offers numerous opportunities for innovation through various projects. Take the lead in any idea that can contribute to the growth of the Pi ecosystem. What you need to do. Keep mining daily by pressing the mining button, verify your KYC and share the app with others to spread the benefits of Pi Network. Don't miss out. Right now, hit subscribe, share and comment on this channel, Finally_TV. Together we can transform lives through Pi Network.